Recipes in Germany, they use only 1 spoon, which is wrong, of salt for the dough. Tomato in the tomato sauce, they also forget to put salt.
Harriet, yeah? This dough is amazing.
Thank you. I didn't make the dough.
Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Sharing Food Cultures. I'm so excited today because we're gonna share a recipe that we enjoyed so much. Today I'm in the kitchen with Harriet and Hannah and we baked a pizza from scratch. Yes, you heard that right. We baked it from scratch. But before we get into that video, please don't forget to like this video. Give us a thumbs up if you like what you're seeing. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. And guys, let's share food cultures together. Usually this is a live, but today we had to premiere the video, unfortunately. But nevertheless, it's still a video and we're still learning something. So join us in the kitchen, it's gonna be fun. Harriet is doing the writing. I'm doing the vegetables, the toppings, and Hannah is doing the dough. Or he has done the dough, so I'll just show you what he's done. And if you want the full recipe, you can find that on my website on the blog. Okay, see you soon. So that's the dough, and we're going to shape it now into pizza shape, round pizza shape, pizza dough. Guys, if you want the recipe, it will be on the blog. I'll post it, and you can you can try this at home. Oh, let me do it, please. I think I can do it. Yeah.
Just like chapati.
Okay guys, so let's pause and let me defend myself before we go any further. So we've made pizza before, but we've always done it in square because we just never know how to get it round. So this time I think I had forgotten that we don't know how to get it round, and I demanded that I do it. So Hannah tried it, and as you can see here, it didn't come out round. So I took over and decided I'm gonna try and sing while I do it, and here's the result. Slowly, slowly, run and run we go. Run and run we go. Run and run we go. Okay, there's something going on here that I don't really understand. If it means I have to do a half of it first.
You need the extra.
Oh yes, you can. Harriet, come, please show us. I forgot that it's like chapati. Okay.
Like chapati.
How do you do it, Harriet?
I also roll them.
And of course, I forgot that Harriet was standing right next to me. Harriet is an expert at making doughs round. Remember the episode of Sharing Food Cultures when we shared the Kenyan food? If you haven't seen that, I'll tag it here. It's alive, and you can see Harriet making chapati, and those are round. She did a great job. So she came in and rescued us, and she schooled us. So check it out. So here's the ingredients for the pizza. We're using some broccoli, cherry tomatoes, tomato paste, mushrooms, mozzarella, dried, what's this? Grated mozzarella, but it's yellow, it's not the white one. Some smoked bacon, salami, some fresh bacon, olive oil, the mozzarella, the white one, garlic, onions, and mascarpone. And what I'm going to do now is stir fry. I'm going to stir fry the mushrooms with garlic and butter, and also I might do the same with the broccoli. Or probably not. I'll leave the broccolis as they are, and then also I'll fry a little bit the onion. See you soon. In that clip, I had said I wouldn't stir fry the broccolis. What I did was to add some butter and garlic and stir fry everything. I stir fried the onions, the mushrooms, and the broccoli, but separately. So I didn't do them together. I stir fried them separately and added them to the pizza separately. Alright, so here's a tip when you're frying the vegetables. Do not fry them too soft. So the mushroom, you just want to stir them a bit. It's more for flavor. So you want to stir them a bit because remember they're going to go on the pizza and go in the oven. Although they're not going to stay for long, they'll get some more heat. So you just want to stir them in the garlic and the butter a little bit and then take them out. And I did that for the onions, the mushrooms, and for the broccoli. So here's a very important tip for the dough that we got from Harriet. When you've created the round dough, you want to put it on the baking tray, put it in the oven for a few minutes until it rises, without the topping, until it rises, and then you remove it and then put the topping on it. You get a very crunchy crust, and that's more the Italian style pizza rather than the American style, which is more fluffy and soft. Alright, so now it's the exciting time. We spiced up the tomato sauce a bit, so Hannah added some salt and oregano, dried oregano, and we're going to do the first layer on the pizza. I wonder if this is enough. We can do it again, huh? Here's another important tip that you should consider when you're putting the tomato paste on your pizza. Do not put more than 2 spoons. If you put too much paste, it will get the dough very soft and soggy. This is a tip from Hannah. Thank you, Hannah, for sharing this tip. I think I'm going to put some smoked meat. I have to follow a recipe to really know what I'm supposed to do, or else I'm just like, I can't remember so well. I honestly believe the saying that if you practice, you become perfect. I'm not saying I'm perfect at making pizza, I'm far from that. But what I've noticed while we were making the pizza, the round pizza that is that it's not very important to put things in the middle. So it is more important to put the topping of the pizza, especially the heavy stuff, on the outside. So when you cut the triangle, it's not too heavy in the middle. Of course, you want to put cheese and tomato paste and everything in the middle. And you can put some light stuff in the middle, but important, the heavier stuff, you put on the outside. That's my tip. So guys, we have topped the pizza. Mascarpone, mozzarella, bacon, salami, mushroom, mascarpone, tomato sauce, all goodness on this pizza. The first pizza is going in the oven. You're gonna do the honors, Miss Dough Maker. You're so good at making the dough.
So put it in the middle or up here?
Which one do you think in the middle?
I'll move it for the second one.
Bye, pizza.
Make it beautiful. Hey, that looks like a,
Yes,
looks
David?
like a perfect pizza.
And of course, guys, I had to do pictures for IG. If you're not following me on IG, on Instagram as yet, you can follow me here. That's my handle for IG, and I'll also leave it in the description box, so you can go over, and that's where I post my daily stuff, so you will get more of me and my channel and what I'm doing throughout the week, cooking or going places or whatever. The back papier, where is it? Oh, it's kind of has. How is it? Is it as delicious as it looks?
Definitely. Especially weil der Teig ist durch. Das ist super, super Idee.
Where the teig is was? Durch? Where the teig is was?
It's baked.
It's not all baked? Is it not all baked?
That trick on putting the pizza in before and then
teig,
putting the stuff on, that is a very good trick.
I had to learn from experience. I did it the first time. I didn't put it in the oven first, and then it was.
That's how I am. Girl. Look at that!
It's very hot.
Guys, the pizza is ready. I love the mascarpone in it. It doesn't need more salt.
Perfect. The dough has enough. Many recipes in Germany they use only 1 spoon, which is wrong. Enough salt for the dough. Tomato sauce, I also forget to put salt.
Harriet, this dough is amazing.
Thank you. I didn't make the dough.
I mean, how you. And then the toppings are.
This is the most important thing. You make this. That is the most important thing to make it come out.
She's not ready to try it.
It's too hot.
Because it's so good. Oh my god, did we do that? Teamwork! High five! Teamwork! I love cooking. Together. Not by myself. So guys, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. And that was basically it. We baked 4 pizzas. We had so much fun. We chatted about culture, we chatted about how pizza is made in different places. So for example, Hannah was talking about in Germany how they do it. I don't have much experience of making pizza, but Harriet has experience with making pizza and making the chapati dough. You know, we just shared stuff. We threw ideas around and it was brilliant. We enjoyed it. We made 4 pizzas and we ate all. We ate all. It was so delicious. Let me know if you tried this recipe. I would love to see your results and would love to hear about it. Alright, thank you for joining. Until next time, bye. Mwah.